Alright, first off, why do people like unboxing videos? I don't really get it. You just like open a box, and then you're like, oh look, it's the first time I brought it out of the box. And then, so, I don't know. If you're watching this video, cool. If not, what the fuck ever. Anyways, Yoyo Store Rewind came from Japan. Opening it up. I'm gonna unbox the fuck out of this box. Except this is all stupid. Whatever. Stab this shit. Fucking get the... And I'll... yeah, okay. Whatever. Hey, cool! Turning point. Thanks for your order. Keep on throwing. All the best. Rewind. Yoko? Yoko? Yeah, no probs. Who we got here? Yoyo USA, powered by Yoyo Store Rewind. Cool yo-yos and stuff. Okay, this one came out first, so let's do this. Yoyo Factory North Star. Cool. Hey, sweet. Ooh. I'm not going to play with it right now, but okay. I will in a sec. This actually feels nice. It's kind of light. Got a little finger spin thingy. Cool. Pretty. Galaxy. Whatevs. Alright, next one. Ah. I'm stoked about this one. Okay. Yoyo. Dine Yoyo. This is the Yoyo Veritas Pro. Cool. Feels really nice. It's all like smooth and finger spin the fuck out of that. And it's pretty. And I like it. Cool, next. Let's do Top Yo. Top Yo. Oh, this one I'm so stoked about. Okay. Dude. Oh my god. This is the prettiest yo-yo I have ever seen. Look at this. Look at that. Holy shit. It's like rainbow unicorn vomit. I really like the shape. It feels kind of nice. It's all like super pretty. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is a Top Yo Silenus. 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 I don't know. It's pretty cool. Next. Stoked about these two. Actually, I'll do this one first. This is a company I'd not ever heard of before. This company is called Yoyo Empire. This is a tsunami. Ooh, that's pretty. So, super pretty. Plastic in the middle. There's metal right there. Metal on the rims. Feels like it's going to be fun. Cool. Next. Also Yoyo Empire. Ooh, this one came with a string. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Yoyo Empire Rainfly 2. It just says Rainfly, but it is the second one. I don't know what the first one looks like, but I don't care because this is so pretty. It has rainbow rings, and it's called Rainfly. And this is this ugly ass string. Fuck that. Fuck that. Cool. What do I got here? Yoyo Factory, North Star, Yoyo Empire, Rainfly 2, Yoyo Empire, Tsunami, Tapio, Silenus. God, that's fucking pretty. iYoyo Veritas Pro. Cool. Unboxed. Bam. Suck it. Lates. I unboxed the shit out of that box.